CIG Logistics is the largest independent transloader of proppant and well consumables in the most prolific oil and gas basins in the United States. CIG has been founded on the principles of integrity, efficiency, and safety. CIG executes on these principles by building the largest, most technologically advanced terminals in the industry. At CIG facilities, customers will find large, highly efficient drive-through silos for loading frac sand into pneumatic trucks, as well as new box solutions. These silos are capable of unloading and storing over a unit train of sand in less than 24 hours and capable of loading trucks in under 6 minutes. This efficiency is what allows CIG to service the growing demands of well design in unconventional shale plays. CIG has developed a proprietary, bespoke inventory management system that integrates with the silo systems to provide customers with real-time business intelligence and inventory management. CIG maximizes efficiency through uniformity of the terminal network. CIG's standardization of construction, equipment, and procedures allows customers to experience the same high level of service at all terminal locations while minimizing downtime for repairs and preventative maintenance. CIG also utilizes mobile conveyors for customers who choose to store sand in unit train and manifest rail cars. These conveyors are among the safest and fastest on the market, allowing CIG to load directly from rail car to truck in under 20 minutes. CIG is a fully integrated company with a comprehensive locomotive engineer and conductor training department. CIG operates their own locomotives as well as Class 1 power for the BNSF and Union Pacific railroads. The CIG terminal network of unit train facilities will grow to 14, with the completion of 3 new facilities in 2017 and early 18. This network of terminals in Texas, New Mexico, and Oklahoma gives sand, service, and E&P customers access to over 50% of all wells drilled in the United States. CIG continues to invest in the future of oil and gas, supporting the infrastructure that supports the United States.